All right, hey everyone. Welcome back to another deep dive.
Yeah, hey everybody.
You ready for this one?
Yeah.
I'm pretty pumped about this.
I think this is going to be fun. Yeah.
So today we're heading to San Francisco.
Yeah, virtually, of course.
Virtually, yeah. But I mean, I feel like we're gonna get a real feel for this city.
Absolutely.
So we've got some notes here from this video. San Francisco Walking Tales, #27.
Yeah, love that title.
Yeah, it sounds like a personal kind of, experience.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Like a firsthand account of someone just kind of wandering around this city.
Exactly, and I think that's what's going to make this deep dive so interesting.
Yeah, I'm excited to dig into this and kind of see what we can uncover about San Francisco.
Yeah, let's see what San Francisco's all about.
All right, so right off the bat,
Yeah.
this video starts with the Bay Watchtower.
Oh, yeah.
Like right there, you got this iconic image.
Talk about first impressions, right?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you see that tower and you know exactly where you are.
And then there's this mention of San Francisco being like the gay capital of the world.
Right, and that tells you something about the city's identity right away.
It does, yeah.
It's like before you even set foot in San Francisco, you have these expectations.
You kind of know it's a place that's open and accepting.
Welcoming, yeah, exactly.
And then the hills get brought up.
Oh, the hill.
Yeah, the person who made this video, they're coming in from Utah,
Okay.
which I imagine is pretty flat.
I would think so, yeah.
So it's about like walking uphill in San Francisco
Oh, man, yeah, that's no joke.
and how it's like a workout
It's a serious workout.
just to like get around.
You know what's interesting? I mean, it's not just about the physical challenge.
What do you mean?
Well, think about how those hills have shaped the city.
Oh,
The way the streets are laid out, the cable cars.
Oh, yeah, the cable cars.
I mean, they're iconic, but they were also a solution to a problem.
Right. They had to figure out how to get people up and down these hills.
Exactly. And it's just a great example of how San Francisco has always had to adapt to its environment.
Yeah. It's like the city itself is built around those hills.
It's part of its DNA, you could say.
Okay, so now we're getting hungry because the video takes us on this search for Turkish breakfast.
Turkish breakfast. Okay, now I'm intrigued.
Right. And it's funny because you think San Francisco,
I think sourdough bread.
sourdough clam chowder,
Yeah.
but Turkish breakfast.
That's a curveball.
It is, but it makes sense.
How so?
Well, I mean, San Francisco is known for its food scene.
Oh, yeah. Incredibly diverse.
Yeah, I mean, you've got influences from all over the world.
Think about the city's history, right? The gold rush waves of immigration.
Right, people bringing their traditions with them
Exactly. And all of that has kind of melded together over time.
to create this amazing culinary landscape.
It's like a tapestry of flavors.
Okay, so back to the video. They finally find this place called Lukma.
Lukma. Okay.
And of course, they have to deal with the parking situation.
Oh, right. The San Francisco parking saga.
It's practically a tradition.
I mean, everyone has a parking story from San Francisco.
Yeah, it's like part of the experience.
It is. It's part of the charm.
All right, moving on from food. This video talks about the architecture.
Okay, yeah.
All these beautiful old buildings.
I love the architecture there.
Me too. It's so grand and ornate.
And you get this sense of history just looking at those buildings.
Yeah, like they've seen so much.
And they've survived earthquakes, fires.
The video mentions earthquakes.
Yeah.
Just briefly.
Right, but it's a reminder of the power of nature.
And how resilient San Francisco is.
Exactly. It's like this constant tension between nature and human ingenuity.
And it's visible everywhere.
You see it in the architecture and the way the city is built, even in the food scene.
It's fascinating.
It is. It's what makes San Francisco so unique.
So we've got these grand ideas, right? The hills, the food, the history.
Right. Big picture stuff.
But then this video also has these little moments.
Like what?
Well, at one point, the person's talking about getting this like massive food container, and they're kind of joking about how big it is.
I love those little details.
Yeah, just makes the whole thing feel more real.
It's like you're right there with them experiencing the city.
Exactly. It's not just about the big landmarks. It's about those little human moments.
And that's San Francisco in a nutshell, right? It's a mix of grand and everyday.
Okay, so let's wrap this up.
All right.
We've talked about the hills, the food, the architecture.
The history, the culture, the people.
It's clear San Francisco is a city that's full of surprises.
It's a city that challenges you, inspires you.
And ultimately leaves you wanting more.
It's a place where the past, present, and future all come together.
Yeah, to create something truly special.
There's really no place quite like it.
So now here's a little something to think about.
Okay, I'm listening.
If you could experience just one thing in San Francisco based on everything we've talked about, what would it be?
That's a good one.
Yeah, something to ponder.
It is.
Maybe it'll even inspire you to plan your own deep dive into this amazing city.
Oh, yeah.
All right, that's it for this one, folks.
Until next time.
Keep exploring and stay curious.
Bye, everyone.